Okay, welcome to the video reviewing two-digit division. So we'll just jump right into it since you spent so much time with Miss Dodona. This is just a review. So I like to use DMSB, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. It just keeps me honest and reminds me what to do. We know that all division, the first number goes in the bracket because it's 756 divided by 12. So you're doing the thing to 756. Okay? Now, I'm going to start dividing by 12. But one thing I like to do, I don't know if Miss Dodona did this, I like to skip count by my crazy number on the side just so it makes the division easier. So you see how I have 12 here? I like to go 12, 24, plus 2 is 36, 48, 52, 60, 72, 84, 96. I like to just have that sitting there, the skip count, so that I don't have to think so hard while I'm doing the division. Okay? So then I start the division. I divide. Does 12 go into 7? It does not. So I put an X or a 0 there. Now I can go into 75. Does 12 go into 75? Well, it sure does. And I can skip count here, right? I can go 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Okay, so it goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So I put a 6 here. 12 times 6 is 72. All right, 75 minus 72 is 3. And I bring down my 6. Okay. Now, does 12 go into 36? Well, it does. 12, 24, 36, 3 times. 12 times 3 is 36. Subtract 0. Booyah, 63. Now, I think skip counting like this or just adding them up in advance really helps a lot. Okay? So let's do one more problem. Let's do 748 divided by 22. So again, I like to keep myself honest and go with a little DMSB. Set my puppy up here, 748 and 22. Now I'm going to go skip count. Now you might be saying to yourself, I can't skip count. That's fine. So you do this. You go 22 is the first one, plus 22 is 44. Okay, so you're going to circle the ones you're actually using, right? Plus 22 is 66. So you're going to circle that. Plus 22 is 8. 8 plus 22 is 110. I'll go further if I need to, okay, but I'm running out of space. But do you see what you can do on the side? You don't have to skip count it if you can't do it. You can just add it a bunch of times. So you're done. Okay. So does 22 go into 7? It does not. So I can't start there. But I can start here. Does 22 go into 74? It sure does. 22, 44, 66, 88 would be too much, so 66. So 1, 2, 3 times. All right, 22 times 3 is 66. Okay, 74 minus 66 is 8. Then I bring down the 8, and I'm left with 88. Now I go 22 into 88. Does that go in? I'm sure it does. 22, 44, 66, 88. There it is. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 22 times 4 is 88. Nothing left over. So my final answer is 34. So On one problem, I just skip counted because I know how to skip count by 12s. And on the other one, I just added up ahead of time. So I'm not sure if Miss Dodona did this strategy. She might have. But I think this can help with 2-digit division. It then makes doing this part easier because you're not thinking. You're just looking at what you already did ahead of time. All right. So make sure you print out the problems and good luck.